Hi friends, this video shows how to claim or activate Perplexity Pro subscription on Airtel Xstream Fiber or Airtel Black plan. First I am going to open this Airtel app, tap on this Airtel app icon, then tap on this Manage tab, tap here, then go down, then tap on this button, Claim OTTs and more, tap here. Here you can see rewards. This is the Perplexity Pro subscription claim. Tap on claim now. Tap here. Here you can see the status of the plan. Validity. See, this subscription includes 300 Pro searches, advanced AI models, file upload and analysis. Go down. Here you can see more details. Tap on proceed. Tap here. Here we have three options. We can use existing Google account or Apple account. We can also manually enter mail ID, then create a new account. So let me use existing Google account. Tap on login with the Google, then select Google account, then tap on continue. Done. Let me install this Perplexity Android app. Tap on install. Please wait. Done. Let me open. Here tap on continue with the Google. Done. This way we can claim and activate Perplexity Pro subscription and use it. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.